Okay, now we're gonna do a little bit of the outline of how to do the sewer hookup. So what you'll have here is when you open your sewer area up here, that does lock, your sewer hose will be in here, your black and gray valves will be here, and your outlet will be here. Don't worry about those. So when you'll come here, I usually try to stay out of the splash zone. I have my gloves on from the back. I'll pull this out all the way. This is just the hose that you'll hook up to the RV. This hose will go into your dump station or campground connection. So assume the end of this hose is plugged into the campground or the sewer dump station. What you'll do first is down here, you'll unscrew this cap. I do wear gloves because sometimes it takes both hands. Make sure these are closed before you do that. We'll hook this in here. First thing we're gonna do, when we're totally hooked up, we're gonna double check everything. Everything looks fine. The right hand one is number 2. That's your black valve. That's gonna be just your toilet water. So we're gonna pull this one first. Once that's done dumping, you'll hear it dump and the hose will become firm. When it's done, it'll become loose. When that's done, go ahead and push this back in. Then you're gonna go over here and do your gray valve. You'll pull that one out all the way, and that will flush all the sewage, the debris, the solids out into the dump station. And when you're done, you'll feel it same as before. You'll just push this back in. What I like to do is to shake it a bit more, lift it up and walk it back, and like shake it all through if you need to. When you're done, unhook it from the dump station. Come back here. Again, make sure your valves are closed. We'll get the bottom of our hose that was in the dump station, and then we'll just stick it in the hole here, and we'll just twist it. Again, we're gonna make sure this is away from us, and we're just gonna twist it in here. We'll twist it in there. Last but not least, you'll wanna go in here, put your lid cap back on nice and firm, double check your valves are closed, close your door, you're good to go.